Hi, Suchya Datta, SST teacher, picking up the first chapter of class 9 economics. And the name of the chapter is The Story of Village Palampur. Let's start with the new terms. The first is labor. Labor actually means the people who are available for work. Any type of production which is going on, or the work that is there in the fields or in the house or anywhere else, the people who willingly give their service are called as laborers. Next is physical capital. The various inputs required in the process of production are called as physical capital. Next is fixed capital. Fixed capital is in fact that capital which is used by a firm for many years. That is, it remains almost for so many years that it can be considered as a fixed capital. For example, it could be a building, it could be the furniture of a production unit that is termed as fixed capital. Next is working capital. Now, working capital, the name itself suggests something that makes the work run. And of course, money and raw material are the two things which can be categorized as the working capital. Because if you do not have money, then nothing can run. You could have people willing to work, you could have a building, you could have orders, but what about the salaries or the money which has to be paid? So, the working capital seems to be the most important. Now, next is human capital. Equally important is the human capital, that is, the people themselves are the human capital, and to increase the quality of human capital, we need to stress on education, training and health of the people. Human capital could be there in huge quantity, but if you need good quality human capital, then you need to stress on these three factors. Multiple cropping. Multiple cropping means when more than one crop is grown in a field in 1 year, that's called as multiple cropping. This is generally being done in the advanced villages of India, especially Punjab and Haryana. Yield. Yield means the output which is being taken out in a year from a farm, from a field, is called as the yield. That is, how much potential does it have to actually give in a year.